I'm Yuna. Welcome to your favorite recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make crab rangoons. I am using Joshua Weissman's recipe. He had so many reviews and I'm gonna recreate his recipe. All right, so I am peeling my crab. So in his recipe, he uses like king crab. Smells like crab. This is 8 ounce and I'm going to make just a few. So I'm gonna use half of that. And then of course my cream cheese. It's not crab rangoon without the cheese. I want to tell you that you always want to use Philadelphia. So 3/4 of that. What do you think, about that much? Yeah, I think so. A little more? No, that's good. You ideally would like your cream cheese to be a little bit soft. And I know it's still cold, but it's not like a brick. So I'm gonna start working with this. Okay, so set that aside. We got a lot to do here. 1 green onion, very thinly sliced. Curl up your fingers. Always 2 of these. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. Yeah, behind this middle finger, you wanna curl that up. Okay, so it's still kind of cold, but that's okay. What I'll do is I'm going to continuously mash this down. We have our mixed already. It looks good. And don't worry if it's not completely blended in. As soon as it goes in the oil, it'll all melt. So we got our green onions all chopped in. Our last worcestershire sauce. Did I say that right? I don't care. We all know what that is. 1 teaspoon. And then garlic. So, yes. Get that super thin. There you go. This is 2 cloves. And now it is time to really mix in. It's not the most appetizing color, I'll say that right now anyway. I got my wraps, wonton wraps. My beautiful wonton wraps. One is, of course, like just a triangle shape. Oh yeah, FYI, you don't want to fill it too much because it'll burst and it's not going to be like about that much, about size of your thumb. So one way of making it is this. So really glue these together at the top and glue the sides. It's fine. It's got to look like that, you guys. Okay, so I'm not putting 1 in right now, of course. I have to put in, yeah. Putting my tuna salad, I'm kidding. Not tuna at all, gross. So easy, I mean, you can see this. And it's, because it's a perfect rectangular here. Okay, so, ready? We're gonna test this. Again, keep in mind, because of the shape, you're gonna have to be a little bit busy. It won't stick as long as you're doing this, but you wanna be able to make sure that it's all fried nicely. Now, when that's frying, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my paper towel on a plate because we're here for a few minutes. So get one out. Wow, okay. It smells very, very crabby. It sounds wrong when I say it, but you all know what I mean because I use real crab. Stop it. Okay, there you go. So I made 10 of them. Yes, some I was a little too ambitious over it, so I like overfilled it and it bursted, but that's okay because I like the filling and I'm sure you do too. So here you go, pretty easy. And I hope you make this. You don't have to make your wonton paper wraps because they sell, Nasoya makes perfect ones and it'll save you, gosh, 30 minutes. And I made Joshua Weissman's crab rangoon, but a lot easier. And other than that, I think it's like the same filling and same recipe for, flavor. So I hope that you dig in and I hope that you also make this. And after you make this, take a photo and tag me. If we're not connected yet on Instagram, I am Yuna Cooks. And yes, until we see you at the next time, I hope you enjoy some. I'll see you at your next favorite recipe.